Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot for inbound marketing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once inside, navigate to the marketing section in the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select website and then click on landing pages. Here, you will create landing pages to capture leads. Click on the Create Landing Page button. Choose from the available templates or start with a blank page. Customize the content according to your campaign goals. Add forms to collect visitor information. Next, navigate back to the marketing section and select email. Click on Create Email to start designing your email campaigns. Choose whether you want to create a regular or automated email. Select a template that fits your message. Customize the subject line and email body to resonate with your audience. After crafting your email, set the sender details and recipient lists. Now, proceed to the Contacts tab on the main dashboard. Import your existing contacts or add new ones. Segment your contacts based on various criteria for targeted marketing. Next, go to the Automation section. Create workflows to automate your marketing processes. Define triggers, actions, and conditions for your workflows. Make sure to test your workflows before activation. Now, head to the Reports section to set up tracking for your marketing efforts. Choose metrics that are important for your inbound strategy. Create custom reports to analyze the performance of your landing pages and emails. Regularly review your analytics to optimize your inbound marketing efforts. Finally, adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather. Follow these steps diligently to effectively configure HubSpot for your inbound marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.